Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BritBox on Firestick step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Firestick. Navigate to the home screen. Using the remote, scroll to search in the top left corner of the screen. Type BritBox into the search bar. Select the BritBox app from the search results. Click on the download or get button to start the installation. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, click on Open to launch the BritBox app. You will be prompted to either log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you need to create a new account, select the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. After logging in, you may need to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on the screen. Using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, navigate to the BritBox activation page. Enter the activation code in the provided field. Click on Activate to link your Firestick to your BritBox account. Return to your Firestick. You should now see a confirmation message that your device is activated. You can start browsing and watching content on BritBox. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.